Hello everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today's video is about how to make a mutton pepper fry. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. Here I have kept all the ingredients. I have cooked the mutton in pressure cooker for 10 whistles and it has cooked. Now let's start the recipe. Into a pan, I am adding about 3 tablespoons of oil. And then in goes some bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, and little bit of red chili, dried red chili. I have taken 2. I am adding in some pandan leaves. If you have curry leaves, you can add in as well. And now here I have taken some red onions. I have just slit it into 2 to 3 pieces. Red onions or small onions gives a nice flavor to this recipe. So make sure you find red onions and you make this recipe. I have already added salt to the mutton when I cook the mutton. So I am adding only a little bit of salt, enough for the onions. Once the onions have changed its color, I am going to add in the crushed ginger and garlic. I took about 4 to 5 garlic and an inch of ginger. Don't add paste, it will change the taste. Add crushed and ginger and garlic. Cook this until the onions are slightly brown in color so that it gives a nice taste to the recipe. Now you can see the onions have started browning. At this point I am going to add in the tomatoes. I have used about 1.5 tomatoes. Add in and cook this until the tomatoes and onions have smashed well. I am going to add in a little bit of turmeric. Now the tomatoes have started breaking down. At this point I am going to add in the potatoes. It's up to you. If you don't like, you don't have to add in. I have sliced it into very small pieces. Mix this well and cover it and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Occasionally stir it so that it doesn't get burned from bottom. Now after 5 minutes, let's open this. I kept it in a very low heat and now you can see the onions have caramelized and the potatoes have cooked a little bit. Now let's add in the cooked mutton. Mix this well. The main spice ingredient for this is pepper. So I'm not going to add in any other spices except for a little bit of red chili powder. I'm going to add in about half a tablespoon. If you don't want to add red chili powder, you can also add any kind of meat powder. Mix this. Cover it and you will have to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes with occasional stirrings in between. At this point, don't add any water. If it goes out water, we don't have to add any. If not, we will add in the later part. After about 10 minutes, let's open it. I hope you all can see the mutton has started roasting. Now, since it is very dry, I am going to sprinkle some water. Not much, just sprinkle about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Mix well and close it again and let it cook for further 10 minutes. Now after about another 10 minutes, let's open it. Now you can see the mutton is roasted well and also our potatoes are cooked well. It's cooked well. At this point, add in about 1 tablespoon of pepper. If you have curry leaves, you can add in as well. Mix it. Sprinkle little bit water, not too much, just 1.5 tablespoons. Close the lid and leave it for about another 5 minutes and then we can switch it off. Tasty mutton pepper roast is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.